Today I'm making pesto chicken sandwich with fries. Let's make it. Extra crispy fast food fries. Preheat was $4.50. So I marinated my chicken with Worcestershire sauce and smoky mesquite seasoning. Now time to preheat my grill. I'm using my Shaq portable grill. Now turn this up on 400 degrees. Now it's cooking. Use a baking sheet. I'm going to pour some fries on the baking sheet. Try doing a single layer. That should be enough fries. Now I'm just waiting for the oven to preheat. Now the Shaq grill is ready. Grab a piece of chicken. Grill. I'm going to do 3 pieces. Close it. I'm going to check it after 5 minutes. While the chicken's cooking, you can cook your fries. Cook them for 10 minutes. I'm going to flip it. I'm going to use this meat thermometer. Check if it's cooked. Now it's all cooked. I'm going to transfer it to a plate. I put my chicken onto a plate and cover it with a lid. Let's check the fries. Flip them. I'm going to add 5 minutes to become nice and golden brown. It's time to make the sandwich. We're going to do sliced Italian bread. And using a pan. I have butter on both sides. I'm using basil pesto.
Add your cooked chicken breast.
Fresh mozzarella, sliced it. and turn up the heat to medium heat. Season your fries with Red Robin seasoning.
Flip your sandwich. Mix your fries so all of the seasoning gets coated.
Whoa. Oh yeah.
This meal was delicious. My rating is a 9.7 out of 10. Give this video a like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Thanks for watching.